Hello everybody, welcome to Take It Easy, and this is the second episode of the Tech Update series. This is going to be a weekly tech update series. In this series, I will compile and present the top tech news of the week so that you can stay updated. From now on, this show will come on weekends only. If you end up liking this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up button. It means a lot to me. If you are not subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down there. It's free. Facebook Portal is a smart display with primary focus on hands-free video calling. It has Amazon Alexa built in and YouTube support was just announced. Portal is not the first smart display of its kind. Google and Amazon already have similar products in the market. The Amazon Echo Show and Google's Assistant-powered smart displays are designed to perform many different kinds of tasks, from controlling smart home devices to playing music, videos, etc. Whereas the Portal can play videos and music, but it has a main focus area, making video calls using Facebook Messenger to other Facebook Messenger users. It has an always listening microphone and always watching camera, and yes, you can turn the camera off, but it is still a little creepy, isn't it? It is available in two colors, white and black. The Portal comes with 10.1 inches 720p screen and it is available for $200. And the Portal Plus with a screen of 15.6 inches 1080p is available for $350 and they are only available in the US as of now. Looks like the foldable phone race is just getting started. Samsung announced their first foldable phone this week, and this device is rumored to be called the Galaxy X or the Galaxy F. At their event, Samsung teased its foldable phone with a short video, and they also did a short demo with a working prototype on stage. The demo was performed in a relatively dark condition, and it may be due to the fact that it is still a prototype and doesn't look like the prettiest phone in the world. Google has also announced their support for the foldable displays. The phone has a smaller screen at the front and a larger screen sandwiched inside, which will give you a tablet-like experience when unfolded. According to the latest updates, the screen sizes are 4.5 inches and 7.3 inches. By the way, Samsung is not the first company to commercially launch a foldable display phone. The first commercial flexible or foldable phone is Royal FlexPi, and it is already available for pre-order. It was also launched very recently. Microsoft actually did announce that it is working with Razer to provide keyboard and mouse support to Xbox One devices. But finally we have a date. Support for mouse and keyboard on Xbox One devices will be available starting from this week. At first, a few selected games will have this feature for insiders, and that includes Fortnite. More games will be added in the list in the coming weeks. Microsoft also announced that keyboard and mice designed specifically for Xbox made by Razer will be introduced at CES in January. These keyboards and mice will come equipped with a dedicated Xbox key and support for the new Xbox dynamic lighting feature. According to the sources, Apple's iPhones may come with 5G capabilities in 2020, and the company will choose Intel as an exclusive 5G modem supplier. Apple is planning to use Intel's 8161 5G modem chips in their upcoming 5G phones. Intel hopes to fabricate the 8161 using its 10nm process, which increases the transistor density for less heat, more speed and efficiency. An upgraded SpaceX ocean vessel named Go Searcher and its crew recently went through a test run. The main goal was to focus on the rescue process for the injured astronauts after they returned to Earth. SpaceX is expected to start transferring astronauts to and from the International Space Station starting from next year, and Go Searcher will be used to recover the crew inside the Dragon capsules, which will land on the waters of the Atlantic Ocean. Previously, Go Searcher was used to work with SpaceX's autonomous drone ships, which are actually used as landing pads for the Falcon 9 rockets. After the upgradation and modifications, Go Searcher is now well prepared for a worst-case scenario with medical treatment facilities, a helipad, and a high-quality radar. Okay, so another one from Facebook. Facebook has released their TikTok competitor. The app is called Lasso or Lasso, whatever you wanna call it. I'm going to call it Lasso. It lets users create short and fun videos just like the viral 15-second video app TikTok, or previously known as Musical.ly. With Lasso, Facebook is trying to regain its market share among the teenagers. According to a recent survey, nearly 50% of teenagers say that they still use Facebook, compared to a survey done in 2014 where it was much higher at more than 70%. You can sign in to Lasso through Facebook or Instagram. Harley-Davidson this week showed off its first electric motorcycle at the Milan Motorcycle Show after trial and error of 4 long years. It will be available in the market starting from 2019. Livewire was the name used when it was still a prototype, and it looks like that the bike will carry the same name in the production version as well. The prototype Livewire could get from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4 seconds. It had a range of about 90 km in eco mode, and those numbers are expected to go up with the production version. So that's it guys, I hope it was not an usual boring tech news. I want to talk about different topics related to tech and science, and not only smartphones. So if you liked the video, hit the like button, get subscribed, and hit the bell icon to stay notified about the upcoming videos. Share the video with your friends and family. If you have any queries or suggestions, don't forget to comment it down there. That's it for this video. Have a great time, and I will see you in the next video.